Hey guys, it's Alicia. Just want to give y'all some progress. What's going on with my weight loss? If I don't talk about my weight loss, it's just I'm still losing some weight. So if anybody know, I have lost over 100 pounds from September of last year until this year. I have kept those 100 pounds off, and I am excited, and so I'm here to tell y'all about some new Nutrisystem items that I have tried and I like and stuff. So I'm also going to be, so the first thing I want to start with is the desserts. So one of my desserts I recently just tried is the chocolate brownie sundae. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I loved it. That chocolate brownie sundae, it tastes very well. It tastes very creamy. This is something I can see myself, if they just had that in the store and stuff, I would get it. That would be something I really think Nutrisystem needs to try to figure out how they can get some of their items in the frozen food section in the stores like Walmart and Kroger's and things and stuff, because I think they have a market there that they can use. So that is that. Another, let's see. So that is, let me see what else. Okay, it's another dessert I have never had before that I recently just tried. Oh, the lemon zest cake. So these two items are something that I recently tried this week. And the lemon zest cake, oh my God, let me tell you, can somebody say, I loved it. I loved it, this lemon zest cake. Y'all, it's very lemony. It's very zesty. It's only 140 calories and only 5 grams of protein. And y'all, I really loved it. I love this and thing. And like I'm saying, mostly some of their frozen desserts that Nutrisystem have, they need to consider of trying to get some of their food items in the frozen food section at Kroger's and Walmart, because I really believe that would be an easier way of getting their customers to these items. So that is two of my favorite things at the moment. Let's see. Now we're gonna go to the lunches, because I'm gonna be talking about something I tried while I was at my aunt's house, and I ended up liking this item, and the item is the creamy cauliflower chicken. Now this is sort of like a soup or something. It's mostly a lunch item and thing. And y'all, let me just tell y'all this. I loved it. All you need to do is just put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and get you some crackers and eat it. It tastes good. I had no problem with it. I liked it. This is just something, and I have never ate cauliflower before. And I think in this kind of way of this kind of substance and stuff, I can eat it. And it doesn't taste like cauliflower. You would think, oh no, it's gonna taste like cauliflower. It don't even taste like cauliflower, and that's what makes it so good to me and thing. But yes, let me double check. It's something else. Oh, before I forget, they have the 4 cheese melt. Now I recently had that yesterday for lunch, and y'all, let me just tell y'all this. It tasted very well. It tasted very well and very good. And this is something I like the taste. I love it. So this is just something I can do. Like I'm saying, I really believe Nutrisystem needs to find another way of also getting their items to their customers, even though they don't have to always go through the company to purchase them. So yeah, so that is a good item. So let's see. All right, and we're gonna go to the breakfast. And I know they do have some new items, and so I will be going over that as well. And one of the new items I just tried this week, it's right here. So if you can't see what the name of it is the it's the turkey ham and cheese omelet. Let me just tell y'all, I love this. I love this. This is only 90 calories and things. So I'm just gonna say, just for those items that I have tried, I like these items. And they great. They are some great items and things and stuff. But we're finna go through some of their newer items. I just wanted to mention some new items that they have. They have gotten newer items, and it's just in case some of y'all who gets the food deliveries from them, I wanted to let you know about some newer items. So one of the newer items is the chicken pot sticky stir fry. I'm gonna come back in a hearty inspired. We have a restaurant favorite, and it's called the beef and beans cheese burrito. We have a, oh Lord, give me a minute, grain crust potluck with veggies. We have cafe style creamy tomato soup. We have lemon crest chicken. We have Bresto style toasted raviolis. We have merlot beef and root vegetables. We have a red pepper chicken pasta stew. And yeah, that is it for all of them. But I'm gonna go back through that chicken pot sticky stir fry. It's mostly, it looks like it's actually it's an Asian style dish. And being it says you can toss it in a skillet. So you would have to toss this one in the skillet. The ratings on this, you have over 34% 5 stars on that. And stuff, but I always say go by what your taste buds are. That's my thing. Go by what your taste buds are. Let's see. We have the peppered chicken pasta stir fry. That looks like it's a new one. I'm looking at all the new ones I named off, making sure I had gotten all of them for y'all. Now, another frozen one I have never heard of, it's the mushroom bagalus, BOLOGNES, bagalus, pasta type like one. That looks like it's pretty good. They have a teriyaki chicken noodle. Yeah, they got some pretty good new stuff. Lasagna with meat sauce. They have a harvest grain bowl, Mediterranean flatbread pizza. It's sort of like a pizza. They have the veggie lasagna. I'm just naming off things that I had. This is my first time seeing. Um, let's see. Chicken fajita bowl, chicken pasta parmesan. Excuse that, y'all. Let's see. We got a cranberry bread stuffed turkey breast. So yeah, and it's a limited time on that one. So you have one that has a limited time on there. So you be careful when you find things that you like. So you might and stuff. Let's see. We got okay. So we have some more new stuff. We have some, and this is a frozen dish. This is called beef lo mein, Cajun style chicken and shrimp sauce. Chicken chorizo pizza bowl, a barbecue chicken pasta bowl. And then they have this chicken el main bowl as well. So, I mean, they have some pretty good things on there and stuff. So we're going to go to the lunches and see what's all new on there. So we're going to go forward. I'm just trying to get everything what is new and stuff. Like I said, they do have some new stuff. Like they have this thing called a barbecue chicken burrito that's brand new. Um, they have, let's see, what else? Garlic cheese flatbread. So that's the first time with me seeing that right there. They have this veggie, excuse me, vegetable fiesta. It's sort of like a pizza, and then they have some Charmaine Roma noodles, and then they have the fried garlic chicken flavored Roma noodles as well. So there's kind of is starting to take some suggestions from the customers. I've been saying for like a year they need to add some like regular old noodles to the list, and like I'm saying, they're adding things, brand new stuff. So let's go. Let's see what they have new in the breakfast, because you never know. Now, I do know they have this one called high protein pancake mix. So I think this is a pancake you have to make yourself. I think that's what that one is. But y'all, I'm like saying they do every so often have some newer stuff in on there, and I mean they're doing pretty good by adding new things. Like one of the newer things I now noticing, because I never had it, is the dark chocolate sea salt nut square, and that's the first time me seeing it, so it must be a little new. Let's see what else they have. I think that is it. But yeah, I mean, they got some things on here that I have tried and things I haven't tried. So, yeah, I think if you're gonna go with just buying kits every few weeks and stuff for the Nutrisystem, I think that is also a good idea. But either way, whatever is your way of wanting to get the Nutrisystem, I think it's great. And let me do this right quick. I am gonna actually give you some places where you can actually order the Nutrisystem. You can actually where you can actually find the kits. So let me go through that right quick for y'all. And I know you can get them from Walmart. Make sure you check walmart.com. And I recently ordered one myself, and it's mostly mostly frozen foods, and I paid no more than $69 for it. It comes in it's a 15-day, it's 15 items. It's like 5 items each. So you get 5 dinners. Let me just say, you get 5 dinners, 5 snacks, 5 breakfasts, and 5 lunches. So yeah, you're just getting 5 items out of that. So you're getting enough for 2 weeks right there. So another place, you could go through Sam's Club to actually get a meal, to get some of the meals. If you just want a full-on, complete-on meals, you can go to SHN. Let's see. You can just, like, if you're just looking for a certain thing, you can go through Target and you can put in what you're looking for right there. Let's see. Let's see. You can find the starter kits, but I would say I will put in the way that I search for you can actually find things that you're looking for. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.